We humans, we've always been fascinated by intelligence. We see it in ourselves, of course, but we also see glimmers of it in other animals, dolphins communicating, crows solving puzzles. What if we could create intelligence, artificial intelligence? That's the dream, the ambition of AI. To build machines that can think, learn, and even solve problems, just like we do. But what does it really mean for a machine to think? That's where things get tricky. We don't even fully understand our own brains yet, so how do we build artificial ones? Well, we start with what we do know. We look at how we humans process information, how we learn from experience, and we try to replicate that in machines. This isn't about building robots that look like us, though that's cool too. It's about creating systems that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Systems that can adapt and improve over time. That's the essence of AI. This quest for artificial intelligence is a journey of discovery. It's a journey that takes us deep into the heart of what it means to be intelligent. And it's a journey that's only just begun. The desire to create artificial beings is not new. It's an ancient yearning, woven into our myths and legends. Think of the Golem of Prague, a clay figure brought to life to protect the Jewish people. Or the ancient Greek myth of Pygmalion, who sculpted a statue so beautiful it came to life. These stories reveal a fundamental human desire to create something in our own image, something intelligent and powerful. But these were just stories, fantasies. It wasn't until the mid-20th century that the dream of AI started to become a reality. The year was 1956. A group of brilliant scientists gathered at Dartmouth College for a summer workshop. Their goal? Nothing less than to create artificial intelligence. This wasn't a casual gathering. These were pioneers in the fields of mathematics, computer science, and engineering. They were the founding fathers of AI. The Dartmouth Workshop, as it came to be known, was a watershed moment. It was here that the term artificial intelligence was coined. It was here that the foundations of this new field were laid. The researchers at Dartmouth were optimistic, even a bit naive. They believed that building thinking machines would be relatively straightforward. They thought they could crack the code of intelligence in a few short years. The early years of AI were marked by excitement and rapid progress. Computers were getting faster, programming languages were evolving, and researchers were developing new algorithms for tasks like playing checkers and solving logic problems. There was a sense that anything was possible. But then came the AI winter. The overly optimistic predictions of the early pioneers didn't come true. Building truly intelligent machines proved to be far more difficult than anyone had imagined. Funding dried up, interest waned, AI research entered a period of stagnation. Section 5. Expert Systems and a New Dawn. By the 1980s, AI experienced a resurgence. This time, the focus shifted to expert systems. These were programs designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains. For example, there were expert systems for medical diagnosis. There were also expert systems for financial analysis, and even configuring complex computer systems. Expert systems proved to be quite successful in certain narrow applications. They could process large amounts of data, follow rules, and make recommendations, but they were still a far cry from the general-purpose AI that researchers had dreamed of. Section 6. Machine learning takes center stage. A fundamental shift in AI came with the rise of machine learning. Instead of programming explicit rules for every situation, what if we could design machines that learned from data? That's the core idea behind machine learning. Give the machine a bunch of examples and let it figure out the patterns on its own. This approach led to breakthroughs in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and robotics. Machines were now learning to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. Section 7. Deep learning revolutionizes the field. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that has truly revolutionized the field of AI. Inspired by the structure of the human brain, deep learning algorithms use artificial neural networks with multiple layers to process information. This layered approach allows deep learning models to learn complex representations of data, leading to significant improvements in tasks like image classification, speech recognition, and machine translation. With deep learning, AI took a giant leap forward. We were now seeing machines that could not only perform tasks, but could also learn and improve at an unprecedented rate. Section 8, AI Today, a transformative force. Today, AI is everywhere. It's in our smartphones, powering virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. It's in our cars, enabling self-driving features. It's used in healthcare to diagnose diseases, in finance to detect fraud, and in entertainment to recommend movies and music. We are living in the age of AI, a time of unprecedented technological change. AI is transforming industries, reshaping societies, and even challenging our understanding of what it means to be human. Section 9. The future of AI: promise and peril. The future of AI is full of both promise and peril. On the one hand, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. It could help us combat climate change, cure diseases, and explore the cosmos. It could usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity and well-being, but there are also risks. What happens when machines become more intelligent than their creators? How do we ensure that AI is used for good and not for harm? These are questions that we need to grapple with as we continue to develop increasingly powerful AI systems. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape with the choices we make today. It is up to us to ensure that AI is a force for good in the world.